All right, so for today's video, we're going to be looking at adding when we're working with sign numbers. Sign numbers meaning numbers that have positive and or negative signs in front of them. So we have a song that helps us remember the rules for adding positives and negatives. We sing this song to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. So the song goes, same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. Take the sign of the larger digit, and you'll be exact. So, let's look at our first question. Here I have -5 plus -13. So I'm working with the same signs because both of these digits are negative. So the song tells me same signs, add, which means add the digits. 13 plus 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Bring down my 1, so I got 18. And keep. Keep means keep the sign that was on both of those numbers originally. So they were both negative to start, so the final answer will be negative, -18. Dropping down to the next problem, I have -36 plus 19. According to the song, I have different signs here, so I must subtract because 19 has no sign, which means that it is positive, and 36 has a negative sign. So I'm adding with different signs, so I must subtract. 36 minus 19, let's quickly borrow. 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. And take the sign of the larger digit. So the larger digit in this problem is 36. 36 has a negative sign, so the final answer will be -17. Now, if we drop down to the third example, we're taking a look at a problem that is decimals, but also has sign numbers in front of those decimals. So here I have a -5 3/100 plus -2 4/10. Well, I know that when I'm adding with the same signs, I will add up these digits and keep that sign in the final answer. And I also know that when I'm adding decimals, I have to keep the decimals in a straight line, not the digits. So my decimals are right here in a straight line. I can fill in a 0 as a placeholder, and now I'll add these digits and keep the sign, because when I'm adding the same signs, I add up the digits and keep their sign. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 2 is 7. Both numbers originally had negative signs on them, so I will keep that sign on my final answer. Final answer being -7 and 43/100.